Another day, another job. So I got a bunch of the lines marked out for the rest of these rows. Probably can't hardly see them, but it's just little orange string that you use in the concrete world. But we are going to add more mulch to that whole back section over there, and we're going to add mulch. So this is the main garden entry. We have this tree that's growing up and over that way, which will make a nice arch where we're going to put honeysuckle and let it grow up and over. As if we don't have enough spiders around the property, we also have toy spiders. So we got quite a bit more mulch going. This entire row here of trees is getting mulched all the way down to this last tree here, so we can tie them all in and make them look uniform. Things we're glad we brought from Idaho. The tractor. There's definitely no way we could have done all of this without the tractor. So glad we brought it. Makes life a lot easier when you have equipment ready to use. We ended up bringing in more dirt from the backfield. Remy, come right here. Because this spot here with the downspouts of the barn ended up getting a huge puddle. You can see where it's sort of wet still. But we added a bunch of dirt in order to raise that section and no longer have a puddle underneath the tractor. And there's my man.
Morning.
Oh my goodness, look at my hair. Still have a few spots to fill in, a little bit more to do, but it's coming along nicely. Well, I think we finished just in time because it's starting to rain again. This has been like an everyday occurrence. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, can't work with the tractor when it's super muddy out. So we're gonna finish up today and get everything cleaned up and then do something else. So we'll see you again next time. Bye.